Danke bafethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoLerato Shabang. Nazi ukuthi uLerato Shabang ngo-2009 wayeyimillionaire. I-Sundowns emnike 1 million signing on fee. But ngifuna siqale la 2005 i-Sundowns emnika i-first contract yabo, imnika 20,000. Cabanga uhola 20,000 ngo-2005, imali eningi kabi le yabo. And then-ke baba nenkinga neMamelodi Sundowns ngendaba zeyimali, makabona ukuthi amanye ama-players ahola omalini, yena uhola imali encane kakhulu. And then wamuva to SuperSport United. SuperSport United beyimofara imali engcono kakhulu, wamuvela to yona. But i-Sundowns yamfuna back, yamthatha ku-SuperSport. Kula seyimnika khona i-1 million signing on fee nesalary around boma 90,000 around 2009. Cabanga lo muntu lo wayenemali yangempela, cabanga around 2009 unemali engaka. But inkinga kaLerato Shabang bekazithandela utshwala nephathi namaphathi yabo. Kusho kuthiwa bombukela uLerato Shabang e-TV, ntambama uzombona e-tavern. And kuthiwa wayedelela strong, kafike e-tavern noma esportini kuleyo ndawo le, axoshe wonke umuntu, athi yena usala nabangani bakhe. Abuze umuntu i-owner leyo ndawo athi unotshwala bemalini, kuthiwa sinotshwala be-11,000 or be-30,000 bemalini 30, 15,000, 20,000. Avele athi khipha bonke labantu ngizobhadalela lo tshwala bonke, uzosala nabangani bakho, uzobuqeda utshwala be-11,000 nabangani bakho. Next baphuza utshwala obuncane, seyihambile i-11,000 labayikhiphile, kumele ayijimina. Kusho ukuthi akekho fit ngaleyo ndlela, waba nama-flop then waba injured. Ngoba uyabona uma ubhizi notshwala kakhulu udlala ibhola, uba kulula ukuthi uvele ulimale nje, yabo ulinyazwe nje izinto ezibhedayo. Sundowns kusho ukuthi naye la kwaqala khona inkinga kakhulu, yagcina terminate i-contract yakhe. Then 2011 ilo yambiza iMoroka Swallows. iMoroka Swallows beyimofara 20,000. Cabanga lo muntu obuya ukuba na 1 million, but i-career yakhe manje sekungathi yafa. But iMoroka Swallows ithi awoza mfana, sikubone thina siyathembela kulo. uGordon Igesin lamnika i-chance, amnika but 20,000 bokuyimali encane. Yathi bheka uma uzodlala more than 50 games sokunika 75,000. udlale more than 50 games waba influential, waze wabizwa nakuBafana Bafana from 20,000 to 75,000. Mafia ku-75,000 back to impilo yamaphathi ukungabambeki bafowethu. Yazi ezinye izinto zibuhlungu cause sonke besimbona uLerato Shabang ukuthi is one of the best South African football players, but amaphathi obumnandi, amantombazane, utshwala yinto like embulele ngempela yabo. But in terms of talent, hayi ibhoza le, ayibeyibhoza yabo. So kuBafana Bafana ngikhumbula this one time Lerato Shabang aphikisana noFikile Mbalula. uFikile Mbalula wadumanga kakhulu ngalento lethi, you are a bunch of losers. Go back nisearchele Lerato Shabang waphendula nawe wathi you are a bunch of loser nawe yabo. Ubona idiscipline ukuthi like into engakanani. Sonke isquad siyadliwa bawini. uLerato Shabang is one of the members of iBafana Bafana, waresponda ku-minister at the time, Minister of Sport. Adlale kuMoroka Swallows, phinde ke inkinga ziqalile phansi aba nenkinga. But iMoroka Swallows belokhu improtecta kuzo zonke le inkinga because beyimdinga. I-relegate kwiMoroka Swallows, ngikhumbula ukuthi bayahola 75,000 kwiMoroka Swallows, bayi-relegate. Plus ngapha nemali zakuBafana Bafana bakuthiwa 60,000 mababiziwe yabo. Bekanamali strong ngaleso sikhathi seningi kabi Lerato Shabang. Okay fine. I-relegate unenkinga zakhe zotshwala. Akusayinwe kube ngathi career yakhe yaphela futhi. But iChippa United imbize le. Imbize it was. But desperate, ukhumbula ukuthi desperate uLerato Shabang manje yabo. I-team offer 20,000 from umuntu beyahola u-75,000 ahola u-90,000 ngo-2009, ane-million labo signing on fee, anemali serious, anezindlu eziworth ama-millions, anemoto like ezi-right. Going back to i-20,000, cabanga kumele asacrifice izinto ey'ngakanani. But ngoba desperate uzokwenzani, ayikho into ayaziyo ngaphandle kwebhola, wayithatha ilokhu njani 20,000 or 30,000, I mean 30,000 yakuChippa United, ayithatha i-30,000 wadlala few games in few months nyana. Lerato Shabang back to inkinga zakhe futhi zaqala phansi, nanokuthi-ke akakwazi uku-adaptha lena cause kukude kunaseJoburg and ujwayele impilo yaselokishini ephithizelayo. So unenkinga ngaleso sikhathi nomfazi wakhe nendlu, yabona nje bekunenkinga eningi. Wabuya ngapha kwabheda nje kakhulu kuLerato Shabang. Then after lapha, after iChippa United wadlala enye i-team beyidlala ku-ABC Mtsipes League, beyibizwa ngeVodacom ileague yakhona ngaleso sikhathi lezo. So i-PSL and then kuba i-National First Division and then kuba ile league le beyadlala khona. Bam ofara malini 8,000 cabanga from umuntu wayenabo amamiliyoni to hola 8,000 wayithathe 8,000 kuthiwa bazo-improve uma bangapromote team yakhona bayi-ambitious bawubona ukuthi nemali but unfortunately-ke nalapho uLerato Shabang wayezithandela amaphathi nobumnandi utshwala. Ngicabanga ukuthi uLerato Shabang as ama-football fans wasirobha ukuthi azange simbone kahle